In an effort to explore additional safety and security measures for students and staff, Mission CISD announces the completion of the security vestibule installations at all 22 campuses.
The safety and security of all of our students and staff is a top priority. And so through the years, we began adding layers of safety to all of our campuses. And the most recent layer that we've added to our campuses is creating vestibules like the one behind me.
The recent installation of security vestibules at 12 campuses has now resulted in all Mission CISD campuses having the extra security measures completing the 4-year project. The estimated $700,000 initiative represents the district's commitment to the safety and well-being of students and staff.
Whenever a parent or a visitor comes to a campus, they encounter a vestibule now. And so the vestibule now becomes part of the exterior of the campus, and it affords an opportunity for staff to be able to receive someone while they are being vetted to be able to come onto the campus.
As a first-time parent, I had a lot of anxiety sending my kid to school just because of the state of the world right now, obviously. So knowing that something like this is getting put into place to keep our kids safer makes me feel really good.
Mission CISD plans to continue efforts in assessing and enhancing school security measures, adhering to the Texas Education Agency and state security recommendations.
Safety is number one on our priority list. We want our kid to come to school and to come home. That's the most important thing.
For more questions about security vestibules and other safety measures at Mission CISD, call 956-323-5563.